Introducing the 2016 Hyundai Genesis. Performance, ride, and head-turning good looks. Hyundai perfected each and every component on the exterior surface. An attractive stance is achieved thanks to the alloy wheels glistening within the fenders.
Up to 5 passengers bask in the comfort of the leather-trimmed interior. In colder climates, occupants will appreciate the heated front seats, pairing with a climate control to keep the driver and front passenger comfortable. Hyundai prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and cruise control. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility.
Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions.